Hello dear Trivian family, we are constantly looking out for such natural, hyper-local, rich in antioxidants, very potent and hyper effective food which can really treat your diabetic condition. They can reduce your blood pressure levels and your high blood pressure. They have the natural capacity to control your high cholesterol levels. They can treat your heart condition or any clotting disorder where the blood clots are being formed within your blood vessels, or there would be clogging of your blood vessels which lead to be heart diseases as well as the brain related ailments like stroke, paralysis, etc. And in this process, I have again stumbled upon one such hyper local, very popular, very effective food which is fantastic for treating all your diabetic, blood pressure and heart related conditions. It has a lot of potency to decrease your blood sugar level, to decrease your blood pressure and to definitely reverse your high bad cholesterol levels and increase your good cholesterol levels. We are actually very much known of this food, but what we don't know is its potency and the reasons which make it very effective for these lifestyle related diseases. So today we are going to discuss about what is this food and what are the components present in this food which is making it so effective. There are not 1, 2, 3, but there are 6 major components present in fantastic food which really helps you in reversing and treating all these conditions. Before I move on further, I would like you to comment in the comment section and let me know about your atherogenic index. What is atherogenic index? Well, it is the index which shows that how much are you prone for high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels or heart diseases or high, of course, sugar levels or diabetes in the near future. It depends on many factors. It depends upon your age, specifically if you are 40 plus. It depends on your weight. You are not only overweight, but your waist by hip ratio. It gives an indication about the distribution of fat in your body. Apart from that, it also depends upon your eating conditions. Are you eating a lot out? Are you eating a lot of unhealthy processed or junk food or very fried food or food which is very high in sugar content? Or are you leading a very sedentary life? There is no exercise, no physical activity at all in your whole routine. Are you living a very stressful life? There is a lot of work pressure on you, a lot of demands on your time, and that definitely hampers your sleep pattern, giving you a lot of stress, making you more prone to develop all these lifestyle diseases. Are you a smoker? Are you a one who consumes alcohol a lot much amount during the weekends or during the whole week? All these factors help in determining your atherogenic index. Today's food is so effective that if you consume the 500 ml of this food's juice for the period of over 12 weeks, it has the potential of decreasing your high triglyceride levels, high bad cholesterol levels, and increase your good cholesterol levels. This particular food has a very helpful in making certain proteins, the proteins which are involved in the carbohydrate metabolism. What does it mean? It means when these proteins would be formed with the help of this superfood, the carbohydrate would be metabolized completely. When the carbohydrate would be metabolized, there would be less release of sugar in your blood, which would effectively decrease your blood sugar levels. In fact, it also would help in reversing your fatty liver syndrome. Now, most of the people nowadays are leading a very stressful and very unhealthy lifestyle with lots of junk eating, processed or outside eating, and no exercise at all, suffers from this specific condition which is called as fatty liver condition. So this fatty liver condition would be completely reversed if you are having and or consuming this superfood on a regular basis in your diet. This fantastic superfood is very low in calories, very low in fat, very high in fiber. What does it mean? It means that it is fantastic for the weight loss or the fat loss purpose. You have been advised by your doctor to lose weight for having better disease profile. So this food definitely helps you in decreasing your weight as well. It forms a great low calorie snack. It is very high in vitamin C. It is very high in antioxidants, vitamin B5, vitamin B6 and manganese. All these vitamins and minerals play a very important role again in the energy metabolism. So when energy is metabolized better, so sugar levels definitely decreases, but apart from that, speed of losing weight also increases. This fantastic food is excellent source of fiber, the insoluble fiber and the soluble fiber. The insoluble fiber basically stays in your intestine for a longer time, keeps the food in the intestine for the longer time, and therefore you feel full for a very long period of time. You don't feel like eating and your overall intake of meals decreases, which really helps you in losing weight and decrease your chances of indulging or eating something unhealthy. Apart from that, when your food is in your tummy for a longer period of time, then the pancreas gets a lot of time to release hormone insulin. So when sufficient amount of hormone insulin would be released over a certain period of time, it would definitely decrease your blood sugar levels. Insulin gets a lot of time to work on the food present in your tummy for a longer time. So the sugar would be metabolized better and ultimately your blood sugar levels would decrease. It would help you in decreasing your diabetic medication if you are on any of those hypoglycemic drugs or even your insulin injection doses. If you are in a pre-diabetic condition, so having this superfood would help you to reverse this pre-diabetic condition. The soluble fiber present in this food has a lot of phytosterol. The structure of phytosterol resembles a lot like cholesterol. So this phytosterol goes in your body and binds itself with the cholesterol binding site. Now what happens when the phytosterol would bind with the cholesterol binding site? The cholesterol won't get any binding site and thus the cholesterol would not get absorbed in your body. Your blood cholesterol levels would decrease and this remaining cholesterol would get thrown out from your body through your excretory system. So these are some of the very common traits you would find across all the foods which really helps in decreasing your blood sugar or blood cholesterol levels, or for that matter even your blood pressure. High in potassium, this food really dilates your blood vessels, decreases therefore the pressure exerted by the blood on your blood vessels and therefore to the drop in your blood pressure. If you are a high blood pressure patient, your blood pressure would come down and your medications and the doses would decrease. Apart from these common factors which are present across all the superfoods, I am going to today tell you about 6 such super fantastic compounds which are present in this superfood which would really help you to see fantastic changes in your blood profile, and you can even be in position to say bye-bye, good night and tata to your lifestyle diseases. What are these 6 fantastic, super fantastic compounds and what is the name of the food? I'm going to tell you in the next section and you are going to be very happy about it. Before telling that, I would definitely urge you to like this video, share it to the maximum people so that we could build a community which is healthy, which believes in the preventative approach towards their health. If you are new to my channel and watching it for the first time, subscribe the channel and press on the bell notification so that you get absolutely such fantastic videos on time so that you can include these hyper localized and hyper seasonal foods in your diet and see the change of world change in your health. So on that note, see you in the next section. Welcome back dear Teasing family. This is lifestyle coach, dietitian, nutritionist, wellness expert Anuradha welcoming you in today's video where we are talking about a superfood which has the potential to definitely control and reduce your lifestyle diseases. So without any delay, let's talk about those 6 fantastic compounds which are making this superfood very special for changing your blood profile. What are these compounds? Well, the first compound is flavonols. These flavonols are heart protecting compounds. They protect your heart from any kind of a damage which has been caused by the cholesterol, which has been caused by the clogging of the blood vessels or the blood clots. They fight this onset of stroke. So any paralysis like condition would be averted because of this compound. They also have antiviral effect as well as the anti-cancer effect. Quercetin, myricetin, camphorol, azoramfenirine are some of the name of this compound. Anthocyanins are the second class of compounds present which definitely helps in decreasing the onset of diabetes related complication, specifically the diabetic related complication linked to the kidney, because this particular compound not only provides color to this superfood but also helps in averting any kind of a urinary tract complications. Next is aromatic acids. These aromatic acid decreases the stress which has been applied on your blood vessels. It also helps in decreasing the stress, which is one of the major factor for increasing your blood sugar and blood cholesterol levels. Next are organic acids. Organic acid helps in decreasing the chances of stroke. Next is alpha glucosidase inhibitor. Compound binds with certain enzymes in your body. Then the blood sugar levels would come down and you will see a lot of change in your post-meal blood sugar levels. Next is chlorogenic acid. This chlorogenic acid, after having a starchy meal decreases or slow the carbs absorption. So when the carb absorption gets slowed down in your body, so blood sugar levels which is being released in your blood would increase at a very slow pace, and with very slow pace, basically there would be a no sudden spike of blood sugar levels, which would mean that insulin would get higher time to act on your blood sugar levels, and effectively it will decrease your blood sugar levels or your diabetic level. So these are the 6 compounds present in the superfood, and you must be wondering ki everything has been told except the name of this food. So this food is Indian gooseberry, popularly known as avla or amla. I'm sure that you must have heard a lot many advantages of this amla, not only for your hairs or for your skin or for your immunity, but also for your diabetes and your cholesterol levels. But my main motto to provide you this information is to make you realize how special this fantastic hyper-local food is. You need not to look out for any foreign food, include it in your diet in as many ways as possible. You can have avla juice in the morning, you can include avla in your salads, you can make a chutney out of it, you can have it as a snack in between your meals. So there are many ways to include. I would highly recommend. I'm sure that you must have liked the trivia which I have shared. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Subscribe and press the bell notification so that we could meet in the next video and discuss a certain next food which would be really beneficial for the health, overall health, not only of you but also of your friends, family members. On that note, I'm just wrapping up this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself because you absolutely deserve it. And as I always say, keep smiling and keep dreaming. Bye.